Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. To me, one of life's most greatest pleasures is sitting down to a bowl of risotto. It is one of my absolute favorite foods. I love to make it at home, and this Earth's Promise Organic Arborio White Rice is the perfect thing to make it with. I absolutely love it. This is a very high quality rice. It's sourced from the Himalayan Mountains, and it is organic, so it is free from pesticides and chemicals. So you are just left with a simple, wholesome, organic grain. And let me tell you, the flavor is spot on. It has a delicious texture to it. I love this particular rice because it does maintain a nice chew to it even when you cook it as a risotto. It doesn't get overly mushy. I found it just had a very nice texture. And because this is arborio, it has that short grain and it makes the most creamy and delicious risotto. When you cook it slowly with your broth coming in and throw a little bit of wine in there, and oh my goodness, it's just delicious. So I found this organic arborio rice to make a really nice spot on risotto. It really had that beautiful creamy texture that I was after. So if you're like me and you love to make risotto at home, then definitely get yourself a very high quality arborio rice. This Earth's Promise is my new favorite choice for this, and I would definitely recommend it. It's a premium quality. You can tell that this is definitely grown with care. There's a lot of attention to detail in what goes into and not into this rice. I really appreciate that it has a delicious creamy texture and an incredible flavor. I think you're gonna love it, and that is my point of view.